We were on a Code 4, Recovery of Department Materials.
It was kind of embarrassing. One of the rookie field ops had accidentally left a disc in the bloodstream with vital research info on it. We were charged with location and recovery of the disc.
Send in the cleaners. That was us. Only problem was we needed to be there yesterday because there was another gang already onto it. Antibodies.
If we didn't reach that disc in time, Antibodies would have it surrounded and marked out for destruction.
That was the nature of a Code 4. It usually meant there was no room for error.
It also meant there was no time for a lunch break. We were able to locate the disc using a simple tracking program.
We weren't the only ones tracking it. The disc, like any foreign body, was a magnet for antibodies.
We needed to recover the disc before the white blood cells gathered forces to destroy it. Antibodies were like a pack of dogs that would hold the foreigner captive until the cavalry arrived.
The immune system wasn't to be taken lightly. If we were going into the blood bin, we were going to need some serious protection.
The disc was already surrounded by antibodies. The cavalry had definitely arrived. White blood cells were everywhere.
There was no time for introductions. The deadliest of all white blood cells was approaching fast. Huge phagocytes that would eat into our disc and our reputation.
I took out the B cells first, responsible for releasing antibodies into the area, and then I went for the antibodies themselves.
I didn't know how much longer I could hold the phagocytes off. They looked like they hadn't been fed for weeks.
I grabbed the disc. It seemed intact.
I grabbed Yucky and we made a break for it. It was time to get out of the bloodbath and back to base.
The disc was fully operational and even explained how the white blood cells were made.
Turned out there was a fancy name for the white blood cells, lymphocytes, and they were made by glands called lymph nodes, which were located in different areas of the body.
So the immune system was simple. Lymph nodes made lymphocytes. Lymphocytes were white blood cells, each with different jobs.
Seemed a pretty tight system. Locate, contain, destroy. If I was a germ, I wouldn't fancy my chances.
Locate, contain, destroy.